Hi guys, it's me again. Today I'll be teaching you how to start your Estrada 2019. So before anything else, I would like to have a quick review of the parts of your manual transmission. So here we have our steering wheel, our shift gear, we also have our handbrake. This is our ignition. We also have our 3 pedals. The one to your right is your clutch. In the middle is your foot brake. And we also have your accelerator pedal. Now, how to start this type of manual transmission? First, all we have to do is turn your ignition on. So it is located right here. Turn it on. Once you turn it on, you can start your ignition by stepping on first your clutch pedal. Step it on and then start up your ignition. See? That's how easy it is. Unlike to our Eon car or other car, you can start the car by just turning your key to start. This one right here. But this type of manual transmission, this is the new version of manual transmission that you have first to step on your clutch before you can fully start your car. So let's try that we will not press or step on our clutch pedal. So let's turn this off. I'll try to turn it on again. And then turn it to start. The car will not start because we did not step on our clutch. See the difference? I'll turn this on. Unlike this one, let's step the clutch and then turn the key to start position. That's how you do it. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something today. Bye bye.